This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a paper glider. First, gather your materials. You'll need one sheet of standard 8.5 by 11-inch paper. This common size is perfect for most designs. A ruler is essential for making crisp, straight folds, which are key to a glider's aerodynamics. Sometimes, a pair of scissors can help refine the wing shape. Finally, a small piece of tape or a paper clip can be used to adjust the glider's balance, ensuring a smooth, stable flight. Now, let's start folding. Begin by folding your paper in half lengthwise, then unfold it. This creates a crucial center crease that will guide your subsequent folds. Next, take the top two corners and fold them inward so their edges meet perfectly along that center crease. This forms a triangular shape at the top. Then, fold those newly created top edges inward once more, again aligning them with the center line. This step further refines the glider's nose and begins to define its wing shape. With the nose established, it's time to shape the main wings. Fold the entire paper in half along that initial center crease you made, ensuring the previously folded sections are now on the inside. This creates the main body of your glider. Next, take one side and fold down a wing. Make sure the edge of this wing aligns neatly with the bottom edge of the glider's body. Repeat this exact step for the other side, creating a symmetrical second wing. Symmetry is incredibly important for a balanced and stable flight. Your glider is almost ready for its maiden voyage. For better lift, gently crease the wings upward slightly, perhaps about 1/4 inch from the body. This creates a small dihedral angle. If your glider dives too quickly, try adding a small paperclip to the nose for a bit of extra weight. Now, give it a gentle toss forward. Observe how it flies. If it veers, make tiny adjustments to the wing angles. With a few tweaks, your paper glider will be soaring smoothly through the air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.